Hello children, welcome to the YouTube channel of Welkin National School, Vasai East. This is Mrs. Mamata Biju, your subject teacher of SST. Today I will be teaching for standard 5th, that is Geography, chapter number 15, Communication and Mass Media. Can you tell? Now this is the picture, let's study about it. We watch TV programs on many different channels. Where do they come from? Second is we talk to others on our mobile phone. What makes communication on a mobile phone possible? Now they have given the two pictures, the boy and the girl watching TV. Now they are asking that where these channels are coming from, and in the second point they are saying, now whenever you are talking with your friend on the phone, what makes the communication, what is that communication on the mobile phone possible? Now they have given this picture. This is the man who is talking on the phone with the other person. In the first chapter, we have learned about launching of spacecraft and artificial satellites. Artificial satellites are used in modern method of communication. The signals are delivered very quickly from one point to another. For example, we can watch the live telecast of any event going on in any part of the world. For example, football or cricket matches. With the help of mobile phone, we can directly talk to the people in other countries. The president or prime minister can address the entire nation at the same time over the radio or TV. Now over here they have explained in the paragraph that now we watch TV with different channels. What is this called? Now when we want to speak with others, we use mobile phone. So what is this all about? So this is all about the communication with speaking the mode. Now we have also heard about launching spacecraft and artificial satellite. Now artificial satellites are used in modern method of communication. Now satellite means an artificial body placed in orbit round the earth or moon or another planet in order to collect the information or for communication. An artificial satellite means is an object that people have made and launched it to the orbit using rockets. Okay. Now these signals are delivered very quickly from one place to other. Now for example, when any event is happening in any country, then we watch a live telecast of that event. Now for example, like cricket or football match. Now some watch through mobile phones. We can even communicate on mobile phone with other person. Now the president or the prime minister can give the speech to the entire nation. That this all speech we can directly watch in our home TV. That is, we can watch on the TV at the same time where he is addressing in which country. Some people, those who doesn't have TV, they listen on the radio. Now they have given this picture. This is the artificial satellites are launched into the space by means of rocket. Now they are useful for communication. This is what useful for communication. Now they have given this picture. This is the picture of expressions. Now let's go further. Study the picture given below. Write the name of the emotion that you see on the each face in the box below it. We can understand a person feeling by looking at the expression on their face. Now these are all the expressions they have given. Whenever you are feeling happy, that expression is been seen. Whenever you are sad, that kind of expression is been seen from your face. Whenever you are shocked or something doesn't find to your brains that it shouldn't have happened, So that kind of expression is been seen out from your face. So these are all called expressions on your face. Now the expressions on a person's face and other gesture communicate a message. Now expression, whatever the expression, whether it is happiness or sadness, moody, whatever the expression and the gestures, these are all what communicate, means it gives some message to the other person. We receive message or information through communication. The exchange of information is called communication. Always remember that what is communication? The exchange of information is called communication. Now information broadcast is also a part of communication. Information is useful for constructing knowledge. Now over here they have given the communication. See, this is the channel TV. This has been interviewed. Radio. This is the boy reading the paper. This is the TV channel. Okay. Now let's study about the advantages of telecommunication and mass media. We can easily contact people far away from us. The time and effort spent in exchanging information can be saved. They help to raise awareness about issues such as the environmental balance, gender equality and cleanliness. People can be forewarned about natural disasters like storm, tsunamis, flood, etc. They build awareness about health, educational facilities, good things happening in society, etc. They help in successful implementation of government schemes launched for the benefit of people. Awareness can be raised about matters related to food, clothes, shelter, education and health. This improves people's way of life. Mass media help in the expansion of trade and industry. Now let's discuss about the advantages of telecommunication and mass media. Now the advantages, that first I can tell you that those who stay far away from us, we can easily contact people and talk. Now from this we can save time and effort we spend in exchanging information. Then whatever the problems we face in the society, that issues like environmental or gender equality and cleanliness, that also we can discuss. Then the people can get the information about the natural disaster, like natural disaster that includes storm, tsunamis, flood, etc. Then it built awareness about the health, educational facilities, then good things happening in the society. Then government schemes uh, can be launched to benefit the people. Then awareness can be raised like matters related to food, clothes, shelter, education and health. So these are all the advantages of the telecommunication and mass media. Let's discuss now the disadvantage of telecommunication devices. Excessive use of the television, computer or mobile phone causes disorders of the eyes, ears and back. Psychological disorders and isolation etc. are also possible. Then second, they have said we get all sorts of information through television channels and the internet. There are instances of this information being misused to disturb the peace and order in society. Then third is time spent on watching television leads to the neglect of outdoor sports and physical fitness. This has an adverse effect on physical health. Now over here the disadvantages, like by using excess television, means full from morning till night, if you say watching television, that is called excess television. Then computer, mobile phone causes problems to your eyes, ears and back problem. Then some people might get physical disorders and isolation, means because of the because of the excess using of a particular gadget, it gives a psychological disorder. Then we get many information from the television and internet. Then sometimes these information get, it may misuse and disturb the peace and in order in society, peace and order in society. Then too much time spent on watching television leads to the neglect of in the outdoor sports. Means if from day till night if you'll watch sitting on the sofa, and if you'll watch full day TV, then there will be no physical fitness in your body. Means every day if you spend going out, outdoor play or any physical activity if you do, then there is a physical fitness in your health. So too much time spent on watching television leads to the neglect in the outdoor sports and physical fitness, which affects the physical health. Okay, now this is the small one knowledge. Telecommunication device should be used properly and sensibly. We must be careful not to use them excessively. Means whatever you are using or watching mobile, watching TV, whatever you are using as a gadget, so always use to a minimum period of time, not more than 1 hour, not more than 10 hours, not more than 12 hours. If you watch this, then it will affect your eyes. Excessive use of using will affect your eyes, ears, physical problem will be there. Okay, so students, take care of your health. Students, we have completed this chapter. Hope you all have understood this chapter. Bye students, take care and have a nice day.